Sit tight, because this might be the end for filmmakers. What people have been waiting for is finally here. Seedance 2.0 is now live on Higgsfield, and honestly, it's insane. The videos this thing can create look like high-end CGI, the kind of visuals big studios would normally spend millions on. And now it's basically one click, and you can create it yourself. But here's the thing. Just because you can create insane visuals with Seedance doesn't mean you're going to get views with it. Because I believe the real opportunity with Seedance is in TikTok microdramas. These short AI-made episodes are pulling in millions of views, and if you look at the accounts posting them, they're going insanely viral. One of the craziest examples is Fruit Love Island, a TikTok drama based on Love Island. So after hours of researching these TikTok dramas, we noticed one clear pattern. Most of these series are inspired by existing movies and shows, and we also read that TikTok is testing a separate feed for this kind of content and slowly is pushing it more. So to see how this format performs across different looks, we're putting Seedance to the test with 4 visual styles: anime, 3D animation, cartoon, and realism. Now let's start with anime. That animation was actually really easy to create using the workflow I'm about to show you. First, head over to ChatGPT, go to Explore GPTs, and search for a model called Nano Banana B-roll. Once you're in, upload a reference image. This can be anything. In my case, I used an anime-style version of myself. Then use a simple prompt like this. The character falls from the sky into Central Park and lands clumsily in a tree in a funny, awkward way. Now send it. The GPT will then create 5 prompts based on your idea, each one designed for a different scene in your animation. Once it is done, simply copy each prompt, go to Higgsfield, open the Image tab, select Nano Banana 2, and paste them in. For me, that process generated the images you see here. With the top 3 images, we were able to create the scene you just watched. Using the bottom 3 images, we are now going to create a follow-up scene. So in Higgsfield, open the Video tab, select Seedance 2, and upload your images. The system will first check whether your images are eligible. If they are, simply select them. Paste in this prompt, set the duration to your preference, choose the 720p resolution, and click Generate. Once the process is complete, it will produce the following follow-up scene.
Huh? Give me that! It's mine! Ah! Give it back! Get away from me! It's mine! Ah! I got it! Yes! This thing sent me here? Ouch. That was rough. Come on! Wait, no, don't close! How am I supposed to get out of this world now? Why isn't this working? Wait, what was that?
As you probably noticed, the voiceover in the AI video isn't always accurate in every scene. It can sound inconsistent or just a bit off, so here's how you can change it to your own voice and make everything sound smooth and consistent. First, head over to the Audio tab in Higgsfield and click on Change Voice. From there, upload the AI video you created with Seedance so you can start working with the voice settings. Once that's done, go into Voice Preset, where you'll find the option to create a custom voice. Go ahead and select Create Custom Voice, then give your voice a name. In this example, we'll call it Andrew. Now, upload a short voice sample of yourself. This is what the system will use to replicate your voice. After that, click on Clone Voice and give it a moment to process. When the cloning is finished, all you have to do is click Generate. And just like that, your voiceover will be converted into your own voice and sound consistent across every scene. Here's the result.
This thing sent me here?
This thing sent me here? Ah, ouch. That was rough. Come on. Wait, no, don't close. How am I supposed to get out of this world now? Why isn't this working? Wait, what was that? Oh, hello, pig. What do you have there? Is that for me? Thanks, little guy. Let's see what this does. Whoa. Here goes nothing.
You hooping or not? Why am I a bear?
Now for the most important part of this video, we'll show you how to create a strong, fitting prompt for Seedance 2. First, go to the GPT library, search for Seedance Prompt Engineer, and click on the one shown here. Once you start a chat, you'll see a Start option at the top. Click it, and the GPT will ask you for a few details to generate your prompt. For this example, I entered something like, 3 bear friends playing an intense 1v1 pickup game on an outdoor basketball court. The energy is competitive but fun, as they go back and forth trying to outplay each other. I also specified that I wanted 5 shots and a total duration of 15 seconds. Send it, and the GPT will generate a clean, high-quality video prompt. Copy that prompt and head back to Seedance. Upload your reference images. We've found that using around 1 to 3 images gives the best results, so don't overdo it. Once your images are approved, select them, paste in the prompt you just created, and double-check your settings. When everything looks good, click Generate. And here's the result we were able to create.
Show me something. Bet. Too slow. No way!
MVP! King of the court! This is unreal!
What is that?
I did not press it.
That was fun. Now that I've shown you how to use Seedance across different styles and you understand how powerful this tool really is, let's move on to the final part. Here, I'll demonstrate how to create realistic cinematic shots. Remember how I mentioned that TikTok microdramas are becoming more popular? That's why, for this last section, I want to show you that Seedance isn't just great for 16 to 9 scenes, it's also extremely powerful for 9 to 16 content. Now think of a show or movie that can use its own parody in TikTok format. Got one? Good. Now follow this workflow. First, create your reference characters using Nano Banana, then turn them into full character sheets. Once those are ready, bring them into the Nano Banana B-roll GPT and simply describe the scenes you want to create. After it generates the prompts, copy them, go back into Nano Banana, and use them to generate your scenes. This is how we created visuals like these. Once you're happy with your results, select your best generations and move them into the Seedance Prompt Engineer GPT. There, describe what you want to happen, choose your number of shots, and set the duration. Then copy the generated prompt, head over to Seedance, upload your selected images, and paste in the prompt. Once it's done, you'll have a clean cinematic scene like this. But here's the key, not every generation will be perfect. Just like real filmmaking, you select the best moments and stitch them together. Do this right, and you can turn simple generations into viral TikTok microdramas like this. And that's the end. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description.